Okay, so in this particular session, we will discuss about the artificial intelligence and machine learning for the practitioner. So, in means very simple language, if I say what is the artificial intelligence, here you can say ability of machine to think and learn like human. Okay, to think and learn like human. So, if the machine can think and learn like human, then you can say that is the artificial intelligence. So now here you can see the one person. So he is the father of the artificial intelligence, and this particular term, artificial intelligence, is not a new term. It's coined in 1956. Okay, and McCarthy say the science and engineering of making intelligent machine. Okay, especially intelligent computer program in that time. So that is nothing but you can say the artificial intelligence. So if we able to make the intelligent machine, it means that is the artificial intelligence. Now means the next point is means what is the machine learning. Okay, so here the machine learning in the simple language you can say allow machine to learn from data, no rule based programming. Okay, so here I am not writing any means rule based program. Okay, here what I am trying to do, I am trying to pass the data, and on the basis of the data I am allowed to machine to learn from that data. Okay, to learn from the data, and then one intelligence will generate after machine learning, and that artificial intelligence we can use to solve the some real life problem. So here we are allowed to machine to learn from the data is nothing but the machine learning in simple way. And here is no rule based programming. We pass the data, and on the basis of the data machine will learn. So that is the machine learning process. The next point. Okay, so now if it means there is the many time you means if you are aware about the some terminology in the artificial intelligence is the machine learning, deep learning, generative AI. So these are the all the thing. Okay, LLM and all. So we try to understand all this concept with the one simple means one simple diagram uh, that I will show here in 1 minute. So okay, so in this particular diagram if you see, okay, if you see here, and when I will make this diagram bigger so we can understand the what is the artificial intelligence. Just we discuss artificial intelligence means you can say means we want to make the intelligent machine in short. So how we can make the intelligent machines? For that there is the one subset you can say uh, there is the one subset is the you can say that is a machine learning, and with the help of the machine learning we allow okay machine to learn from the data, and then one intelligence will generate that we can use to solve the real life problem. So that intelligent machine generate with the help of the machine learning is nothing but the artificial intelligence. There also to deal with the, some image related data, some complex data, or very large set of the data. For that we require the special structure, and that is nothing but the deep learning. And then inside the deep learning we also want to deal with the text data, audio data, video data. So that one part is the NLP as well as the generative AI. So like that means the broad umbrella is the artificial intelligence, and inside the artificial intelligence machine learning, inside the machine learning one subset is the deep learning, inside the deep learning one subset is the generative AI. Okay, so these are the some general thing you can say. Okay, and we will discuss all the part in very depth in this entire playlist I will make. If you really like, then please comment, I will make more video. Okay, thanks. So okay, so now before machine learning how actually problem is solved, so that also we try to understand with one means framework you can see here. First we study the problem, and on the basis of the problem we will write the rule. Suppose just take the one example, I want to predict the what will be the my house price, or if we are working in the real estate and the the real estate owner or the manager want to know what will be the price of this house. Okay, so they will take the means they will write some rules. Okay, okay, this is square foot, then this will be the price. If this is will be the area. Okay, area size is the suppose the 150 square feet, then this will like that they will write the rule base, but rule base will not work. Okay, why? Because how many rule you will write? Okay, the first point, you identify the problem, then write the rule, then evaluate, but it will not work. That time, even the launch here, you can say the manager is not happy. There are a lot of error because we pass the rule in the rule-based programming. What we will do, we will pass the information with a particular thing like 150 square foot. What will be the price? That I will pass. Okay, and someone want to know what will be the price for 154. If that data is not available, I will not get any result, right? So that is the traditional approach, and that's not work, and no one is happy with that type of the means rule based programming, especially when we are dealing with the data. Okay, so uh, means what I shown here, that particular part you can say that is a traditional approach. Okay, that is the traditional approach. Now there is one more approach that is on the basis of the machine learning only. So here you can see, so this is the machine learning approach, and even I will pass here. Okay, so this is the machine learning approach. So here what, first we again study the problem, and after study the problem, what will be the, we will use the data set with respect to that problem, and we will make the machine learning algorithm or machine learning model, and then with the help of that machine learning model, we try to predict the sale, we try to predict the what will be the house price, that type of the thing, right? So here it is not a rule based programming. Here one intelligence will generate and one machine learning that try to predict itself. Okay, without any human intervention, try to predict what will be the price, what will be the sale in the next month, like that prediction we will get. So now then we will evaluate that solution is proper or not. So there is some evaluation method that also we will discuss in this playlist, and then you can say we will launch the model. If the model will give the good prediction, then we will launch, and if model will not give the good results, in that case again we analyze the error, we will again study the problem, or you can say that we again train the model until and unless we will not get the good quality, or you can say the good accuracy with the model. Okay, so that's the point. So these are the approach. So that's why with the help of this two diagram, I think you can easily understand what is the importance of the machine learning, right? So here you can see the types of machine learning. Means machine learning means uh, we allow machine to learn from the data. Okay, so but there are also the types of machine learning is available, and that we can broadly divide the types of machine learning into the supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and reinforcement machine learning. Now the next point, when we talk about the supervised machine learning, there again the two category that we can broadly see. The one category we know that is the classification, and the second one is the, I think you are aware about that is the regression. Okay, so classification and regression, these two thing will be there. Okay, so if I quickly insert, so these are the two part of the machine learning, right? So now even the classification means what? Means here we try to predict the categorical data, or you can say the feature or label, I'm sorry, the label will be the categorical data, right? Okay, now when we talk about the regression means what? Continuous data means we try to predict the continuous data. So here categorical data, and also we try to predict the continuous data. Okay, so supervised means you can say the regression classification. Here we are means in short you can say the we try to predict the categorical data, or you can say categorical means what? Means we try to predict the yes and no type of the output. Yes, no, or I just want to predict a particular customer will take the which type of the services, tier 1 service, tier 2, tier 3 services, or customer will buy means what type of the product means that means type 1, type 2, type 3, like that you can predict. Regression means what will be the sale in the future, okay, what will be the house price, what will be the product price. So when we want to predict the some continuous data means continuous output, in that case you can say we will use the regression, right? So here you can say the price of house, sale, as well as you can say the yield. So that all the thing will come, means that all the thing we can predict with the uh, we can predict with the regression. Okay, so now you understood what is the supervised learning. Supervised learning means one supervisor will available. So means there is a two type classification and regression, and okay, I just try to explain what is the supervised learning and what you can say unsupervised machine learning with some practical example. So now here in this particular diagram you will understand what is the supervised learning and what is the unsupervised learning. So here what I am trying to do, I am passing this input data and I will tell to the machine, okay, this is the apple, this is the apple, this is the apple, like that one supervisor will be available, and at the end what will be the result? One artificial intelligence will generate and that able to tell, okay, oh, it's an apple. Okay, so that is the supervised machine learning. Okay, so suppose okay, even I will take the one example, means real time example with respect to the supervised machine learning. So in this this is the one supervised machine learning I'm trying to do. So here you can say I'm passing the images with respect to the one class, and there I can write the mouse. Okay, then I will go to the next, and here I will write the class name, don't worry, and there may be the suppose I will pass the this mobile phone. Okay, so in second you can see I pass the this mobile phone related image. Okay, so now I will start the training. Means first I created the data, even I not write the class 1, class 2, you can write the class 1 is the mouse and class 2 is the mobile phone, right? Once the training will start, it will take approx what you can say 1 second max. Okay, and now I just want to predict what is the this particular thing. So this is mobile. Okay, so it can say okay, this particular thing is the mobile. Okay, and now if I show the another product, okay, so now you can see this particular thing is what? This is the mouse. Okay, so this is the mouse and this is the mobile phone. So here what I'm trying to do, I'm during the training process, okay, in this particular thing you can say during the training process I'm passing the okay, so during the training process I'm telling this particular object is the mouse, this particular object is the what you can say mobile phone, and then that means first I will create the some data, that is the image data, then I will do the some training process, and once the training process is done you will get the final output, right? Now the next point, okay, model is trained and okay, already trained, and suppose now the next point is I want to see the some part. Okay, so actually this is the deep learning, and how you can say the convolution neural network process actually going on inside, but you can see the what is the underhood. If I quickly show, so here you can see what is the accuracy with respect to the epoch, that you can see what is the confusion matrix, that all the thing you can see here. Okay, so this is the way, uh, and you can see the accuracy of the model and all things. Okay, this is just means the demo purpose, I'm just trying to show you here. Okay, so now here you can see as per this diagram also what we have seen here. Means I am what I'm doing, I'm just preparing the data, this is the input data, and then once the input data I am prepared, what will be the next point, I will annotate. Means the supervisor will be available and supervisor will tell that this particular object is apple, this particular object is apple many time, and over time you will see one intelligence will generate and that intelligence will say it's an apple. Okay, the same time here also you can see the what is the in unsupervised machine learning, here no one will tell to the machine okay this object is the banana, this object is the apple, and like that. So here what will be the output here, means automatically the machine will learn from the data, and that is the unsupervised machine learning, no supervisor will available. And you know that means on the basis of that, means on the basis of some attribute like color, size, shape, the machine will learn, and at the end you will get the output, and there you will see the some group. Okay, the group based output you will get, and all the recommendation system actually is based on what, is based on unsupervised machine learning. Okay, so I just want to ask the one question to you, can you tell me here what type of the, means in human being also some supervised unsupervised machine means learning is going on, right? Human being also try to learn, so that I just pass one image and let me know okay, here what type of the learning is going on. Okay, so here what type of the learning process is going on, so can you tell me that? So obviously here no supervisor available, no parents available, and child itself able to identify on the basis of the shape, on the basis of the some attribute, child able to divide the all the thing in the different groups, that is nothing but the unsupervised machine learning. Okay, so this is the unsupervised machine learning. Okay, so I think it's very clear. And now if I talk about the unsupervised machine learning, there what will be the example in the unsupervised machine learning. So in short you can say the in unsupervised machine learning is the clustering, or you can say the recommendation system. Okay, so again the spelling. Okay, so that will be the recommendation system you will get. The reinforcement machine learning, so related that also, maybe you know the some example, that basic is already covered, but I quickly try to cover the thing like all the game as well as the gaming. Okay, so all the game there, suppose the machine learning is applied, so that will come into the reinforcement machine learning. So there, if the machine will not do the thing in the accurate manner, in that case there one penalizing system will be there. If machine able to do the all the thing in very means precisely, in that case you can say the there is the one reward function will be available. Or in short, we can say the reinforcement machine learning means there actually the one learning system will be there that will be on the basis of the feedback. Okay, so in the all the games, the thing is the reinforcement machine learning will be there. Okay, and even in the generative AI, there also means on the basis of the feedback it will learn. So that is the reinforcement machine learning. So if any mistake will be done, so that will be penalized, and on the basis of that, actually machine will learn. Okay, there is error, then again machine will learn. So that is the, in short, you can say the reinforcement machine learning process. Okay. Okay, so the next point is means all the type of the machine learning we just discussed. These are the some basic concept. Even please go through the some blog, machine learning related blogs, and there you will get the idea, detailed idea about the what is supervised learning, unsupervised machine learning, as well as reinforcement machine learning. So okay, so that all the idea you will get. Now we will start with some regression, how actually the machine learning is work. So that part we will discuss. And before that, if I quickly show the some example. Okay, so I have some data you can see here. So in this data, if you quickly means what crop related means crop year, season, states, area, production, annual, fertilizer yield. So here we want to predict the yield, okay, with the help of the machine learning. And how many time means yield already label is available, it means it's a supervised machine learning. And how many time I'm telling to the my machine okay, means in this particular process what you need to do. So 19, if you see quickly, so 19,690 time I will tell to the machine what you need to do in the different situation. After that, one intelligence will generate, and that intelligence will give you the results. Okay, so that's the process. The same way, if I show the another example, so another here you can see that there is the soil testing data as well as the humidity, rainfall related data, and I want to predict on the basis of that what will be the crop recommendation. Okay, so that also we can make with the help of the machine learning crop recommendation system that will recommend. We just need to pass the this data, and the crop will recommend means what type of the crop we need to do. So that is a classification problem inside the supervised machine learning. Okay, okay, so in this particular session just we discuss what is the artificial intelligence and machine learning in very simple way. After that, type of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. And in supervised machine learning there is the classification, regression part, and unsupervised machine learning they are clustering. So some example related to classification is the we want to predict the yes and no type of the thing. A customer will choose tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So okay, in the railway bogie, in the means aircraft, their customer will choose the business class, customer will choose the economy class. So that all the prediction will come into the classification. The regression means that is also the supervised machine learning part. There we want to predict some continuous data like price of the house, the sale in the next month, what will be the price of the particular product, what will be the yield in a particular means you can say the land. So that all the thing in a particular state with respect to the agriculture, with respect to the means manufacturing industry. So that are the continuous data, and that we can predict with the help of the regression. Unsupervised means here the recommendation system is available. So all the recommendation system are based on the unsupervised machine learning. Means suppose if I talk about the Swiggy, Flipkart, Amazon, they have customer data, and the machine will on the basis of the some attributes. Okay, so maybe that attribute will be the size, that attribute may be the income of the customer, that attribute may be the means the location of the customer. So on the basis of that, machine will be divide the data into the group, and then means for all this group there is means a specific message will be sent, a specific recommendation will be sent. Like that, we will be more customized with the help of the unsupervised machine learning. So that will be the thing. The reinforcement machine learning means our model will learn from the feedback. Okay, so suppose the machine learning model is not perform accurately, then on the basis of the feedback, if the feedback means the error is more, in that case the here we will penalize. If the error is less, in that case, and we will give the reward. And like that, the continuous improvement process will be there inside the machine learning. So that is the reinforcement machine learning. So that all the part I discuss, and now in the next session we will start how actually machine learning work. We will discuss the one linear regression part, and then slowly what is the, that is the very basic machine learning model, and then we will discuss the lasso, each, as well as the support vector machine, decision tree, random forest, all type of the machine learning model algorithm we will discuss how to utilize. And we will also discuss the how actually we can make this machine learning model with the help of the Python. Okay, so I will discuss the Python also, and that is also very easy, and we will try to use the some generative AI for making the supervised unsupervised machine learning model. Okay, so for this session, that's it. Thank you. And I will soon upload the more video related to another algorithm. Thank you.